Woohoo! How do you look after an animal? Oh, like a pet or what? One Christmas day, the animals in the animal park got colds. So I take them to a warm place. But it didn't go well. All aboard for a big adventure. Thomas Animal Ark. It was nearly Christmas Day. On the island, I was taking some supplies to the animal park. Hello, Thomas. Oh, hello. How are you? Doing good, but we haven't heard Emily about the boiler. The boiler have come for the animal to warm up. Even from hotter places like India and Africa. Can the animal get warm by this? Don't worry, I'll go in the dog to see what's going on. Thank you, Thomas. Be quick. Quick. The animal will be very cold then. When I went to the dock to figure out what's going on with Emily and why I didn't take the boiler to the animal park. Now here. Sorry, Emily, but the boiler not coming after Christmas Day. After Christmas? Sorry, Thomas, but the animal, the delivery is delayed. Oh no, how can the animal get warm? I'll tell the Fat Controller. At Napa Station, the Fat Controller decorates. You nearly did, sir. You nearly did. Sir! What is it, Thomas? It's an emergency. What's wrong? The animals in the animal park getting cold. Emily put to get the new boiler, but we can't get it till after Christmas Day. Well, what can we do? We'll find a place somewhere warm for the animals. What about the SeaWorld? No, Henry. Oh, what about the SeaWorld? Hey, that's my idea. Okay. Oh, well, I wish the animals could stay instead. I wish the animals come to tip my sheds tonight. That's my Christmas wish. When I went to the dairy yard, Thomas, we got bad news. The boiler have been delayed. I have an idea. We'll take the animals to the steamer. Good idea. Soon we go on the animal and all ready to go to the steam world. Here we go. When we went up there, then the snow had blocked the way to block the steam work. Oh no! What can we use? I know. Our boilers. We can go to Christmas Day. But then there was trouble. I got stuck in the snow. Oh no! What can we do? I know. When I was in India, an elephant helped me. Soon, the elephant pushed, and finally I got out. Thank you, Mr. Elephant. Soon. Soon we go the end. I made it to Tiff McShay.
What have you brought those animals, Thomas?
You're gonna turn this place into a zoo! This is an emergency! I can't make it so the steam works, but we use our boiler to keep the animals warm. My wish come true. Oh, the indignity! Then, at night, our boilers warm up the animals. Hey, get off the dealer, funny, but it's an ostrich, James. I know that. Whatever. I want to say what's going. Good morning, sir. We couldn't make the steam work, so we use our boiler to warm the animal. Good idea, Tom. Hey, this doctor let what? We have to wait. Stay here when I hatch. Oh, you gotta be kidding me. Come on, Jane, it's Christmas. See, isn't good giving. Oh, them animal a bit noisy. Merry Christmas. Have you looked at an animal or a pet or even a pet in a school? Sometimes we need to take very good care of them. When Luke brought found a deer in Blue Mountain Quarry, the deer was scared of the noises. Then Luke took the deer to the wood. When on Christmas, I put to take the animal to the steamer to get warm, but though I took them to my shed instead. And James if you have a pet or a pet in a classroom, we better take care of them. Come on, Thomas, it's time to go. See you next time.